In this video, you'll learn how to replace assigned resources with standby resources. This timesheet is printed from EMS and shows all poll officials assigned to the returning office. Poll officials assigned to the returning office are on standby and must be paid regardless of whether they are assigned to a poll or remain at the returning office. Poll officials must sign a timesheet for the time spent on standby and hand it to the recruitment officer. If they are deployed to a poll, they are added manually to the bottom of the timesheet for that poll. This means poll officials might show up on two timesheets, one at the returning office for the time spent awaiting deployment, and one at a location where they were deployed for the rest of the day. The finance officer must pay attention to the timesheets for any deployed standbys to ensure that the payments are not doubled. The hours entered on the timesheet at the poll should not include the time spent waiting in the returning office. Lastly, when entering their hours in EMS, combine the hours from both timesheets into a single value. In this example, the 3 hours worked at the returning office would be combined with the 9 hours worked at the poll for a total of 12 hours worked.